Guys, I want to do this quick live update video. I'm on the 34 Californian. We're leaving Lake Pontchartrain right now. It's about, what time is it? It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:30. I think it's about 6:30. Today we're going to try and make it over to Homer. And I'm probably saying that wrong. I want to hear in the comments. Anyway, we're going to make take the boat over there. I'm with Bill and Sharon. First time. You guys have never owned a big boat like this. Oh, Tim and Sharon. Yeah. This is the first time you guys have owned a big boat like this, right?
This size, yes.
Yes.
All
okay.
Smaller boats.
They've owned some smaller ones. And so Sharon's at the helm right now. She's been coming off the dock, so make sure you guys are checking out their videos. You should see them in about 4 days. They'll start coming out because it usually runs about 4 days behind when I start posting their videos. Anyway, should be a lot of commercial traffic on this run.
Hang on for now. I don't want you to fall.
A lot of commercial traffic out here in New Orleans and heading over to that Texas. And so it'll be interesting. Today we're going to try and make it. It's about 75 miles. We'll know when we get to the lock because the lock is the big tell of what happens. I'll try and do one of these little live video updates. You'll see in like day one, yesterday we came over, we just topped off the fuel tanks, made sure everything was running good on the boat, and we changed an impeller on the starboard engine, and we changed both of our ray cores. So this will shake the fuel around a little bit, make sure we're not going to have any problems.